What does it really mean to be productive? This week was a bit of a roller coaster and a whirlwind, to say the least. From my laptop deciding it was the perfect time to retire, well, not entirely. See, I may have left my water bottle not entirely screwed on properly while throwing it in my bag in a rush, only to have liquid damage ruin the entire thing. New laptop, lost a whole lot of data. That's a whole other story. But that happened. Then I had surgery, navigating post-surgery recovery. I had important, difficult conversations with a lawyer, with my therapist. And just as the week was beginning to feel overwhelming and heavy, both emotionally and physically, there were also some beautiful surprises of joy that were thrown in. I, out of the blue, received these beautiful flowers, which I am showcasing strategically from a cousin across the pond. I had a beautiful handwritten card from a friend I haven't heard from in a long time. I had some lovely dinners out. I'm about to go out for lunch with a friend, and I had a beautiful conversation about the importance of connection with my friend on a podcast interview. And this week really got me thinking about what it means to be productive. Is it really about crossing off all of our tasks on the to-do list, which, let's be honest, you and I both know is just forever getting longer and longer? Or is it about finding and embracing those moments of joy? Because isn't that what life is all about anyway? So this week, my Brave Action Challenge, should you choose to accept it, is to find one moment that brings you joy each and every day. I got really down on myself when I wasn't up to my usual speed. And I kept being told that I needed to give myself some grace after recovery with everything going on. It's not always about the doing. Sometimes it's about the being and the enjoying of the little things, the little moments, the special, cherished, unexpected joys in life. So this week, find the joy. Don't be too bogged down by the to-do list. It'll still be there for you tomorrow anyhow. And really cherish and nourish those moments that bring you a smile. Life can get hard, life can get heavy. Find a moment of joy, and we'll see you soon.